This manager is having difficulties having constructive conversations with their sales team. They can't confront them about issues that they notice that are impacting revenue and the corporate performance, and they do not know how to sit down and have a constructive conversation with the sales talent. That's the number one reason why I hear from companies who are looking to replace managers. Look, this is a difficult skill to be able to learn, but it is a skill that you can learn. Not walking past challenges that are happening within your sales team, confronting those challenges, getting down to the root cause of why they are happening, and then actually teaching or coaching that salesperson on how they can get better at it could save you your job. Difficult conversations are not part of our human nature. We don't love having them in business or in our personal lives. But if I'm telling you that companies are reaching out to me to replace you as a manager because you are unwilling to have these conversations, or the way that you are having these conversations is in a disciplinary manner rather than a coaching manner, this is a skill that you want to learn. And you know what? If your company will not teach you this, you're going to have to learn it on your own. That means that you're going to have to find a coach. You might potentially have to use some of the educational tuition reimbursement that your company gives you if they do. And if they don't, look on YouTube videos, reach out to me. But this is a skill that you have to have as a leader. Your sales team is not going to perform perfectly all the time. But if you do not have these conversations with them and it ripples down into a revenue impact, a forecasting impact, a customer attrition impact, guess whose head is on the line?